Hello everyone, my name is Hema and you're watching The Wonder Mom. Today we are going to deep clean my wardrobe. So have a look. This is not generally how this looks like, but most of the clothes are for donation. Nobody was coming to pick up those clothes. But today I found someone who might need them. So let's get started. This is the one box that I feel very useful for my cupboard, especially in the monsoons. It keeps your clothes fungus free and very fresh. And we are done. This load will go for donations at last. Anyway, so we are done with the deep cleaning and organizing. I don't keep that much clothes in my cupboard. This is only mine. So you will see most of the leggings and tops that I generally wear. That's it. Not that much stuff. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a like. If you love it, do subscribe to my channel and we'll come back with more videos like this. Till then, bye bye, butterfly.